In today's video, we're going to learn how to use one of these bad boys. So if you're new to real estate and you want to figure out how to work your Supra, stay tuned. Hey, what's up? I'm Brandon Melvin, Realtor and Team Leader. I help coach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers on how to grow and scale their real estate business through creative and innovative digital marketing, content creation for social media, as well as tried and true methods to have your business work harder for you than you do for it. If you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, close more deals, and scale your team, you'll absolutely love this channel and this video. Alright, so in order to begin, you're going to need to download this app here to have access to this device here, and you'll have to fill out everything appropriately. Now, let's go outside for a quick demonstration. Okay, so you're at the listing and you're ready to show your clients the home. Hopefully this is the one. What you'll do is you'll open the app on your phone, and then you'll want to make sure your Bluetooth is on and not connected to any other devices, because I personally have had that go wrong where it was connected to my truck still and it wouldn't allow me access to the Supra. So open the app on your phone and then you'll tap this little button at the bottom. You'll notice a red light come on, and then you'll click the obtain key on your phone, and then you enter in your password. It's gonna beep for a little bit, sound like you're gonna blow up, and then success, you didn't blow up. You actually get to enter the house, push the button down on the bottom again. Hopefully the key is in there. You can enter the home, show it, and then when you're done, you put the key back, and then you put it right back up in there, and then push hard, and it should be good to go. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful. If it was, definitely give it a like and then subscribe and hit the bell. That way you're the first to get notified every time I put out great content. If you'd like to schedule a free personal one-on-one coaching call, check out the description below. I have a link, you can do that. And if you're also interested in potentially seeing what a partnership with me at the Melvin Group with eXp Realty would look like, definitely schedule your coaching call as well. I'd love to help. We have some of the top technology in the market for a real estate agent to generate tons and tons of leads. So until next time, go sell some homes.